Hold on. I'm getting full, so. We full. We full. Damn, look all this chicken out. Oh, how do people be doing it?
I don't know.
I be trying to figure it out. Anyway, let's do this toast. Hey, it's me, Duchess and Destiny.
Hey, it's me. I'm hanging with my queen.
Hey, and it's time to eat.
Hey.
Hey, everybody. Okay, y'all, it's me, Duchess, and my daughter, Destiny. So happy to be here with you guys tonight.
Hi.
Okay, guys, so tonight we have Salisbury chicken. The Salisbury chicken recipe. We got jalapeno poppers. We got cheese curds, sassy sauce, and blue cheese. You know what I forgot? My special butter sauce. You know what? I'm about to go get that. You want some butter sauce?
Yeah.
To go with our potatoes?
Yeah.
Okay, about to go get that. We will be right back. Okay, I'm back. And we got our butter sauce. Special butter sauce in the building. We cannot have no potato wedges without butter sauce. All right, what you drinking, Dutch? You got some Duke over there or Duchess?
I have some Duchess.
And I have some Duchess too. Also, we're gonna have mother and daughter shot together.
Oh my gosh, shot of what?
And this is, let's see. Woo! All right, y'all. Let's dig in, mommy.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Potatoes.
These Salisbury lamb. How's everybody doing today? Ooh, yes. The thing be good. Rocking.
I wish the like Sal's was actually still open.
I know, right?
Instead of like the other people making them.
Yeah. Me too. But I got these from the pub downtown.
I haven't from there before.
I heard they made them better than all of them, but actually, because I like them because they got the tips on these. The other place on Butternut, they don't have the tips.
Did I hear that place got closed down?
The one on Butternut?
Yeah.
Did it?
One of them Wingdovers got closed.
Was it the one on Butternut? Potato. Potato wedges.
We're gonna do a thumbnail.
Oh yeah, we gotta do a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail. I'm glad you was with me, Des, because I would have forgot. I always forget.
I don't know.
Okay. Your butter sauce?
Okay, jalapeno pepper.
Be rocking.
was your day, mommy?
I actually had a really good day. That's what I thought you had to nap in.
I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. I actually had a really good day today.
Yeah?
Yeah. Real productive. Got out right at 2 because y'all know I work 5:30 to 2, and I didn't have to work my second job, and I couldn't wait to do this mukbang tonight with my favorite girl.
But I had a long day.
You had a long day?
Yeah.
What was up with your day?
I got up at 5 to go to the gym. I've been training my coworkers at work. They've been coming with me. I've been kicking their butt
Ooh.
at the gym. I just had a long day at work. I just had a lot of stuff to do.
Well, I was talking to Lynette today because she wanted me to do shrimp, but I told her I'd do shrimp next week. So I had to do chicken tonight.
Yeah, I want chicken. I'm like, we eat seafood every day.
I know. I like chicken.
I want chicken too.
Comment below if you like chicken too. That jalapeno popper was good.
Yeah. Did you put it in the sauce?
No, I didn't put it in sauce. Let me try it again. But that was really good. It was better than I thought it was gonna be.
It wasn't as spicy as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was gonna be like, oh, my mouth is hot, spicy.
These cheese curds spicier than the jalapeno poppers.
Is it? Oh yeah, yeah. These sarsaparilla and chicken though. Oh yes. There's a God somewhere.
When I was in school, they used to try to make these at one of the dining halls. Definitely played themselves.
No, I like the tips. Anybody else like the tips? Comment below if you like the tips like me. This is how I was raised.
Leave a comment if are you team flats or you team drums?
Yeah.
We team flats.
Team flats.
All day.
I love me a flat. I mean, drums are okay. You know what I'm saying? They okay.
Yeah, I'll eat them if they there.
But drum flat, there's a God somewhere. No one commented yet to tell me about a microphone. I need a new microphone.
You probably gotta get a like a boom mic. That's what Tam would be using.
Okay, y'all. So I just want to welcome everyone back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the Royal Family. And we want you to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. Okay? Subscribe and click the notification button, okay?
Period.
This is what we need you to do. And you know what? If you already subscribed to my channel, click the notification button.
Yeah.
If you haven't already. Click the notification button if you haven't already.
I'm gonna take this home.
That butter sauce, I know, right? Rocky. One chief rockin', number one chief rockin'.
Chicken.
Go ahead. That butter sauce be rocking though, especially with the potatoes. Okay, well nobody's, huh? Mm-hmm. So, on my channel, we decided to do a turkey giveaway. What did you think about that, Des?
I think that's a fire idea.
Thanksgiving is coming up.
Yeah.
Turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway, turkey giveaway.
Okay, fine.
I think I want to do it. I want to give the details on Instagram. What do you think?
I think you should give it the details on Facebook because you got more followers on there.
Facebook? It's a good idea. I like it. I'm going to give the details on Facebook. If you want a turkey, make sure you're following also on Facebook. Wait a minute. I think I need to adjust my crown.
Yes, you cute.
Okay. So yeah, guys, Duke couldn't be with us tonight because you know he had to work. He has to make them coins for Duchess, you know. But he'll be with us on Monday. Mad good. I'm gonna try one of these jalapenos. You know what? To be honest with you, these cheese curds I could have did without today. But these right here, these jalapeno poppers, yes.
I wish it was a little spicier. Like them cheese curds are.
These are good. Has anyone tried the spicy Popeye's chicken sandwich?
Yup.
You tried it, Des?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Let me tell y'all, that was rocking.
I tried it before. Remember they sold out
Yeah.
for Madeline?
Mm-hmm.
I had 2 of them before they even sold out.
Mm. So they just came back, and I just tried it for the first time today.
What you think?
Earlier today. I thought it was really good. But a couple of people at my job was saying Chick-fil-A was better. But I was like,
I have to beg to differ.
yeah, I don't know, y'all. Because I had Chick-fil-A. I had the Chick-fil-A.
Ain't good.
I don't think it's better than the Popeye sandwich, though. But my boss at my job is going to let us do a taste test next week.
Oh, at work?
Yeah.
I like that.
And it's going to be on my channel. So, a couple people saying Chick-fil-A, a couple people saying Popeyes. But let me tell you how I had mine earlier today. First, let me tell y'all what I did. I went to Chick-fil-A early because I worked 5:30 to 2. So I left the job around like 10:45 or so to get there. Luckily, I got there like almost as soon as they opened. And I was like first in line. I was like one of the first people in line. So by the time I got done ordering, it was like 25, 30 people behind me. So I'm glad I got there early. But this is what I did when I ordered my sandwich. I ordered extra sauce and extra pickles.
At Popeyes?
Yeah. When I tell you that was rocking, That was rocking. It was a bit spicier than I thought it was going to be. Was it spicy to you?
Mm-mm.
I don't know what they did, but I don't know if it was the extra sauce. I don't know what it was, but it was like a little bit on the spicy side. But it was real good. I like it spicy.
I like the spicy one too.
I like the spice.
I feel like my tolerance for spice has significantly increased over the years. I just need spice in everything.
Me too. That spice. Well, let me tell you, that spice was next level spice. It was like, yes, this is good. And, whew, spicy. Very powerful. Next level spicy. I think we're going to do that video next Friday. I'm going to try to give y'all 2 videos next week. Monday with Duke and Tuesday in the office. I'm sorry. Monday with Duke and Friday in the office.
Oh,
So, do y'all like my intro? If you do, guess who did it?
something like
You need her to do your intro? She did a good job.
thanks, Mom.
Everybody always asks me, do Destiny help you edit your stuff? And I'll be like, she booked and busy. I be having to figure it out. She'll help me if I absolutely cannot just do this. I appreciate it too. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Comment below if your kids are extremely talented and you appreciate everything you do for everything they do for you. My kids are extremely talented.
Whew.
Hold on. I'm getting full soon. We full. We full. Damn, look all this chicken out. Oh, how do people be doing it?
I don't know.
I be trying to figure it out. Anyway, let's do this toast. To mother and daughter. Love. Let's do it again. Thumbnail. All right, y'all.
I'm ready for a nap.
I don't know. I think I'm going out. I think somebody gonna be mad as hell if I wear this crown out.
You just gonna have to be mad then.
Ow, 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 ow. All right, y'all. Thanks everyone for watching. Till next time, y'all. Peace. And Destiny.
I forgot all sorts.
I hope we can hear that in our videos when you're chewing.